Hei hi All India Radio Aizawl ani chanchin thar a chiar tu si lian sang puya Chief Minister pu zoram thanga kai hruain voin khan zoram Medical College Governing Council an thukhom Deputy Chief Minister puton wen voin khan Aizawl Indoor Stadium Republic veng thanga saktu lungphum a phum NDA sarkar chuan schedule kas zirlai post matric scholarship atan kumnga chunga sem turin cheng viable che singruk sang kwa ruaman US Congress chuan dan ang khapin Joe Biden chu US President le Kamala Harris chu Vice President atan thanten ani ti apuang Chief Minister Pozoram thanga kai hruain voin khan Zoram Medical College Governing Council chuan ZMC tana indel bolna sang-sangte an ngai tu a ZMC a thok tu lak na in kai hruana recruitment rules siam chungchang le post siam bel ngai te soihoni a ZMC zaubel na tur le Medical Council of India inspection mason mek clear chunga post no khatura phalna pek chungchang te soihoni bok voin meeting a hian Deputy Chief Minister puton luyam Health and Family Welfare le Higher and Technical Education Minister Dr. Aral Thanglena Health and Family Welfare Board Vice Chairman Dr. Z.R. Thiam Sanga Aizawl South 3 BL to MLA Dr. Eflan Moi Baka Chief Secretary Additional Chief Secretary le member dangte antelani Information and Public Relations INPR changtu Minister Pulal Ruat ki machuan INPR Department in Sarkar thule hla pon zar le thedar konga le mipuisu khek Sarkar ria tira chumi mila Sarkar in bo sei tura fin chua konga anmo phurna thatakin anhlen chuak nia ria thua soi voin INPR thoktu ten pathian hena lom thu soina le kum tharin hlana hunan mana he thu hi soin Pulal Ruat ki machuan INPR Department chu COVID-19 ripui do na konga amatonga omin mo phuna len tak nei department dangtenen thohuna thatak an nei ti asoya mipuin department an hmudan an hriat dan le an thlir dan te adanglama abik takin ripui chungchanga sarkar thuchu an ngai chana le rinna an nga ngam zia alang hle ni in asoi minister chuan department thoktu te zong impact na thorim na le thohuna lom thu soin ripui la kami point him tlan zel theinan mipui zirtir le hriat konga thei top so zel turina cha ani he huna thu sei tu dang INPR director Pila Lian Pui chuan anna tho konga ti dan thale chin dan tha de chu chomnung zel turte an hriat na ti zau zela sarkar thule lawun na konga rin amna nei zel turina cha a sarkar chi hlo tan mani 9 ator khopa pol le koshana tel aram lo ti hre le turina fuyani minister hian department building bula building thar lian cheri run sakmek atlo ngal ani Deputy Chief Minister puton Luyan Voin Khan Aizawl Indoor Stadium Republic veng thanga saktu lungphum a phum he huna hian Sports Minister Purobat Romoi Roy tele Rajasabha MP pu ke vanal venale MLA pu HL Zirlian te antel ani puton lue chuan Aizawl Smart City Project UDNPA Department noya Durtlang Football Field chu Mizoram Football Ground lian pera siam tumani thuasoya Zema Bok Field le chite field te tilen tumani a lim en eden tharar tuivamita te football field siam tumani baka zuang tuya badminton hall Zema Boka Futsal Ground Zoltlanga Indoor Hall saktumani a thalai te tan Music City siam tumani thua soibok Deputy Chief Minister chuan thalai te tana sarkar malakna anasa hleni ati Purobat Romoi Roy te chuan national level tournament te po thlantheina turin Aizawl City Indoor Stadium chu bot se ni don ti soiboka he stadium hi changkang takin international standard mila saktura duanani atia volleyball nilo sports discipline dang te point state level championship bo se nana an man thei tur thua soibok Aizawl Indoor Stadium Republic veng thanga sakna turatan hiam cheng nuai zasari somruk pathum singli le sangaro manani a sarkar lai pui Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports noya Khelo India scheme atanga saktur ni in tuna hian administrative approval cheng nuai zili somnga donto ani Central Young Lai Association tengen na bo zuin that Assam Rifles se chuan voin khan longklai helepata mizo thalai mi pale mechia sipaya intardu te training pack thei tur te an thanga he huna hian sipai lak dona enfena sang paltangai engamazat manga enchina nei ani a heta tlingte chu that Assam Rifles te hian sipaya anin tlar huna antin ngei theinan training an epui thin don ani voin hian Myanmar ramridap khuwa thalai te ko khom deu bi kan ni a hunram chang masa longtai khopui baka district chunga thalai dangte tan po hun honsak ani tur thu central oile roi du de chuan an soi voin khan UDNPA director le chairman Nibok pu H lian zela kai hroin Aizawl District Screening Committee on PMAY Urban HFA to Planning and Program Implementation Department Conference Hall ani a committee chuan Aizawl third DPR atan beneficiary sang ni somni pangale darlon second DPR atan beneficiary somthum pali apoma Aizawl second DPR mi zanga somni pathum te chu an chungcha ngai to that turati an ombok ani Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY Housing for All HFA Urban Mission Sangni somni panhi June sangni som panga ponchu anya tangin Mizorama po urban town somni pathuma malak ngal ni a he scheme hi omzanei le thazoka kalthei be sein state sarkar chuan district screening committee chu sangni som pro khan lo dina UDNP department chuan detailed project report Siamin Central Sanctioning and Monitoring Committee in DPR somni pathum apom to ani kumin kumthar ni khan prime minister in PMAYU award asemna Mizoram atangin base nagar panchayat Longklai town le individual best construction mi pathum kolasi patni le lungle tangin mi pakhatin an lo dong to bok ani Mamita po DC Dr. Rosa Ma Chairman District Screening Committee on PMAY HFA Urban Hovin and Tukoma meeting a hian Mami District Chunga PMAY UHFA noya insaktan puina deal na lut te clear honi a leng puita na tang hian deal na lut zanhi somni facility to state level a kaltura pomani a Mamit ko pui chunga chung ko nga somni pakwate chu state level a lut chho tura pomani bok zol nom ko pui chunga tanga deal na lut Zani somthum pakwate chu state level screening committee a choptura pomani bok puming tiang lima civil engineer HFA DUDO chuam PMAY HFA noya insaktan puina dinalut zinga application in aphut anga document lut zinga MIS in amu thelo te chuan tran puina andon thei don lo thu asoi chanchin thari all India radio Aizawl tanga puanani NDA sarkar chuan schedule caste SC zirlai post matric scholarship atan kumnga chunga semturin cheng webel che sing ruksang ko ruam Union Minister of State for Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas athawale chuan hemi chungchang hi Ahmedabad ta chanchin pumit e komna soin he hmalak na hnoi hen SC zirlai webel che khale noi somthum te chuan zirna sang jok chun zom na le thiam thil ti ma son na konga te he ham thatna hi an changdo na ti a Prime Minister Modi sarkar chuan rampona SC zirlai kum khata chung ko sumlak lo cheng nuai ko hnoi lam zirlai zate hna scholarship po apedona ti a he baka hin sarkar le pui chuan pian phunga ro ban lo zirlai webel che ni le noi somruk pasari tan scheme engam bazat a CMT soibok US Congress chuan danang khapin Joe Biden chu US President ne Kamala Harris chu Vice President tan thantlina ni ti apuang US rural na in pahni Senate le House of Representative ten Pennsylvania le Arizona state of vote ka te diktok lo anga puna an hnol nuwa President ta na thang tu te vote khak chu poma Vice President Mike Pence chuan President to thar than na hi Senator President anina angina villa Electoral College vote la zanga somthum pare ta tangin Joe Biden le Kamala Harris te chuan vote zathum parukan muwa Donald Trump le Mike Pence chuan vote zani somthum pani an hu ve thungani heti hian Joe Biden hi January ni somni khian President Natan laklu ani theidon ta ani US Donald Trump at hope to lungolo ten Washington na sarkar hun poimo Capitol Building ni zana anu chilna mi pali an thi Capitol Building a hian House le Senate ten President Natana than Joe Biden na dan ang takat lenga puan ani thena tur chungchang an soi ho line boina hi achuak nia thu don ani a Washington Police te soidanin boina chuaka hi an Metropolis Sompali ten hiaman tuara an zinga pahni chu damdoina dalu an nia tun thlangin police te chu mi somnga pahni an man to a Capital chevela khotakin ven him na thongal ani a boina thlen nu hian Washington DC hian curfew pon ngal ani a hetila hen Donald Trump chuan ama thop tu de chu tharum tho zonga boina an siam chu ti top tu le mani lam ho turin angena heti rol hian putam pachuan US President in khanna chu adik tok lo ni na la sei chun zom zelani Prime Minister Narendra Modi appoint Washington a boina suak chu adem thule poyati thu vein khan Twitter atalanga danang khapa ralmong taka thune na inhlan chon chu ti chun zom zela tul thule mi puiro ralna kal tuang lai chu dan kala che ti awanga ti thonop thei ani lo atibok chanchin thar ser ti top na tang pui Chief Minister Puzoram thanga ka Ishwain Voin Khan Zoram Medical College Governing Council on Trukhom Deputy Chief Minister Puton Luyan Voin Khan Aizawl Indoor Stadium Republic Veng Thanga Saktu Lungphum Aphum NDA Sarkar chon schedule caste zirlai post matric scholarship atan kumnga chhunga semturin cheng viable se sing ruksang kuwa pawman US Congress chon danang khapin Joe Biden chu US President le Kamala Harris chu Vice President tan thantlin anni ti apuang chuti zong chu chanchin tharkan pon the chu ani